What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little touch to the ST, just to, you know, add a nice little touch to the outside. Take these off. Let's show you what I've got. So it comes in a really nice packaging. Open this up. Look at these. So these bits are like gel badge overlays, so they'll like sort of go on the side of your car. I'll show you once we get out of the vehicle, just near the front wheel arch, and you're having me on. Every single bloody time I go to record, it starts to rain. If it does continue to rain, then we ain't going to be able to put these on, just because can't really do it in the rain. It needs to be a dry surface. Oh, this is so annoying every time. So when we jump outside the car, this gel bit is going to go exactly right there. You can see the shape of it. But first of all, we need to prepare the surface. So I've got microfiber, some Maguire's detailing spray, which will give it a good clean to make sure it sticks to the surface. Literally a couple of sprays on there, just give it a nice clean. Again, just make sure it's literally shining. And turn the cloth round, get a dry side and just buff it dry. So you can see how clean that is now. Nice clean car on the inside. Look at that. Right, chuck that down there for a sec. Grab the parts and we'll stick them on. So it's not difficult to tell, but obviously just make sure you put the right one on the right way. Just hold them up to the car. Obviously it all goes that sort of shape. You can't get it wrong, but just in case you do. Be a bit silly if you did. So if I hold this up to there, you can kind of see roughly where it's going to go. So about there. So that is roughly how it's going to look. So I'm going to do this bit off camera because I've got to make sure it's accurate. Take this, but obviously take off the sticky like paper where it's stuck to. Take it off so I get the stickiness. Stick it on, make sure it's nice and straight, and I'll show you what it looks like after. So here I've jumped around to the passenger side. I've stuck this one on, done the driver's side as well. I'm just going to give it the white with the microfiber, just push it on, make sure it's well stuck on. Trickiest bit is trying to get this into line, as you see. It's annoying how you can see a little bit of white there, but if you sit at like certain angles you can't see it. I've taken it on and off so many times. I don't want to take it off too many times because you'll start losing the stickiness. But I've got it in line. If you look at the car, you've got this line coming down. I've got it sitting, literally, maybe it's a little bit high. Need to go down just about half inch, if that. Drop it down a little bit. That's the plan, get it down with this line. So I'm going to drop it down a tiny little tad and show you what it looks like. So it's now all in line. So if you look down the side of the car, follow this line, this top line, bang. It literally is smack on. Again, these little white bits you can't, this is literally just the inside, sort of the angle that we're sitting, you'll see that still. But if you look from here, you can't see that. Looks pretty sweet. I'm going to go and get some different angles from the driver's side because I'm actually sitting next to another ST here. It is getting a bit cramped in this little space. I'll jump around to the driver's side, show you that, and we'll see what it looks like at some different angles. So the wind noise is absolutely ridiculous, so I'm not going to record for too much longer. But as you can see, with that line as well, they look pretty cool. Nice little touch. What I'll do is I'll talk to you about the product when I jump back inside the car, because obviously it's really windy right now. But it's just nice little touches like that actually make such a difference. Let's just have a look. Pretty cool. Okay, cool, sweet. So basically, we've now stuck on the wing badge, gel badges on the sides of the ST. Small little touch for such a small little price makes such a difference. I just think looking at different angles, I've been just walking around the car for like the last 5 minutes just having a look, thinking, yeah, actually they do look pretty cool. Might eventually get some sort of stripes going up the side of the car, but to be honest, I'm not too sure about that. A friend of mine's had an ST with them up there, so I don't really want to be doing that because I want my own style of the car. I do not want to be like copying him and this, that and that. So I'm not really too sure what we're going to do next on the side, but I definitely need some more details. Some definitely got some more touches coming for you guys. Don't like think that that's not happening, because it actually is. So guys, I got these parts from DMB Customs. Well, they're dmbu.uk. I call it Customs. Just pretty much they do all different types of graphics. I'll show you, this is their business card, so a massive shout out to them. They do loads of different stuff, like for all different cars, so just head over to their website, easy to load, like search around the website, it's pretty cool. They were, I'll show you, so they were £18 and then just a bit of postage on top of it, so it comes to £20.50 for those. So again, not like breaking the bank, but you know, people might find that expensive for a little gel badge. To me, for the quality you get, and plus they do stick on really bloody well. When I had to relocate mine and try and get it off, fuck me, I thought it was going to pull the paint off. They stick really well, so there's no like worries about them come flying off when you're driving down the road. So for £20.50, you really can't go wrong. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Sorry if you didn't find it really interesting, or you're just not too sure of what's the point in showing this, but every single little mod with the car I want to show you. So, and it's how it's going to carry on doing it on the channel. So give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers guys.